But Music Therapy Labs here doing another cooking video because I think some people miss them. So once again, Music Therapy Labs here. Roxy's still sleeping. My honey bunny wants her breakfast, and so we already talked to her mom, wishing her happy Mother's Day. And we're bird mommy and daddy, so we have a bird for our little one. This is called kind of my version of a Hungarian lecho with Hungarian Cserkész kolbász, which is Scout sausage. So I do onions first. I saute some onions, I throw some bell pepper and then some tomatoes, and then I throw the sausage in there, and then the next step, gotta do this one-handed here, are the eggs. See if I can do this. I better do it right-handed. I know I can do it right-handed. I don't know if I can do it left-handed. So see if I can get this one-handed egg opening trick right. And then right into the sink, because the microwave doesn't feed the microwave. The disposal blades will sharpen up with the eggs getting ground into it. At least somebody told me that once, and so I don't put a lot of eggs. Grind them down in there, and then they'll sharpen the blades, right? Supposedly. That was probably unnecessarily loud. And then I just basically scramble. So this is a breakfast. I don't know if I've done a video version of this before, but my dad used to make this for us all the time, especially when we went camping and stuff. My dad likes to cook. He's a great cook, but he's getting old now, so he's not really doing as much cooking. Not my mom, but he's remarried. His wife, Gabriella, does most of the cooking. We call her Gubby. She's also Hungarian. Oh, Roxy's chirping. She can smell the breakfast. So while that's still kind of doing its thing there, I'm gonna pop in a piece of toast real quick. A couple pieces of toast. But Annie already grabbed her toast. She couldn't wait. She's already got her coffee and her toast going. A couple slices of toast here. There we go. Some people like their eggs. Some people like their eggs wet. Some people like them dry. I like them a little on the wet side when it comes to scramble. So that's it. Hungarian lechós kolbászos reggeli. I guess tojással. So with eggs. Lechós kolbászos tojás reggeli. That means whatever. Okay, it's getting too dry on me. So that's it. Music Therapy Labs out. Have a wonderful Mother's Day, y'all. Laters.